Let's tell everyone, you want to give everyone a tour of your nature camp playground.
And this is nature camp. Yeah, so look, we have this nest over here.
Ooh, a nest like a bird. Oh.
And this boat.
And these.
Okay, so we have this bench.
A bench, and it's made of a log.
A boat. Like a secret hideout right there. And
ooh, secret hideout.
Here is something that you bake with.
Log kitchen.
Another bench.
Another bench. Oh, wait, look at all these log stepping stones.
TV.
Wait, Huey.
Campfire. And look, this is a campfire. Look.
I know, you have to wait for me, Huey.
Instrument.
Oh, wow, a wood musical instrument. Oh, well, wait. Oh, wait, you're going too fast. I missed the other musical. Show me the other musical instrument. Here's one.
Musical thing. And this is a snail you can ride.
That's a snail. Oh, yeah.
Here and some logs you can step on, camp out. Mama, want to listen to the news?
Oh, what's this? Is this like a wigwam?
No, it's a camp out.
It's a camp out.
No, I already said it was a camp out.
Oh.
And this over and another bench. And come over here and have these logs we can step on, you see?
Yep.
And we can even step on these.
Oh. Watch the news.
Yeah. Sit right there and I'll be the newsman.
Okay.
Wait, there's going to be...
Oh, look at these little chairs. These are cute.
Today, we're going to have really big storms. There's going to be tornadoes, rain, really strong wind, everything today. And after the storm, it's going to be really... There's going to be lots of leaves on the ground, and it's going to be raining 1 billion, not, no, 900 and 1,000.
You're crazy.
And
That's terrible weather
after the
forecast.
money, there'll be lots of sun to have to play in, and we can play at Nature Camp Park.
Wow, this is an awesome playground.
It's raining, rain! Yay! Get as much as you can! Yay! Money!
Money? What? Oh.
So rich! Look at all this money!
Oh, and that's money?
I have all of this money right on the ground, and even that's everything! This is money coins, and this is money bills. I have money, everything. Look at this. That's. Grayson, you get the.
I thought you guys might be tired after a day of camp all day. I guess I was wrong.
Mama.
Yeah?
You know what we also played?
What?
Oh, over by the campfire.
Yeah?
We played wolf.
Wolves? Oh, like I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, Wolf?
You know what, animal?
I thought camp all day might have tired you out.
I'm being an animal that can turn into anything. Oh no! Is that a wolf? Oh, hi Grayson. Oh, hi. Nice to meet you. Oh, hi. Please don't bite me.
Were you tricking him, Wolf?
Yeah.
Well, this is a very nice playground. We'll have to tell Miss Mandy. I bet Sawyer and Wyatt and Hudson would like it. Whoa. So rough. So you're not tired at all, huh? Not tired from nature camp? Doesn't seem like it.
Mama, this part we couldn't go over because we couldn't go all the way over to here. We can only go over to like right here.
Well, this is an awesome camp, I'll tell you that. It's an awesome playground.